Hey guys, I'm Ty, and you're watching the DJI Spark tutorial video series. In the past, controlling a DJI drone required either a remote controller or a smartphone. With Spark's new advanced gesture system, controllers and phones are no longer a requirement to fly. In this video, we'll show you how to launch, control, and land Spark all with the palm of your hand. Ready? All right, let's get started with palm launch. To perform a palm launch and use palm control, you'll first need to enable advanced gesture control. You can enable this option during activation, but if you didn't, don't worry. Just go to Visual Navigation Settings in DJI Go 4 to turn it on. While a mobile device or remote control isn't required to fly, we do recommend connecting one to the aircraft's Wi-Fi so you can take control in case of an emergency. For added safety, DJI also recommends installing propeller guards when using these functions. Now to get started, power on the aircraft, then place Spark on your palm with its nose facing toward you at eye level. When the rear LEDs start flashing yellow, tap the power button twice to launch FaceWare. When the camera detects your face, the front LEDs will flash green and the motors will start. When the front LEDs turn solid red, release Spark and the aircraft will hover in place. After performing a palm launch, the aircraft will automatically enter gesture mode. And from gesture mode, palm control allows you to fly Spark simply using hand and arm motions. To get started, stand a few feet away from Spark. Raise your arm and point your open palm towards the camera, keeping all your fingers fully extended and as close together as possible. Solid yellow front LEDs indicate Spark starting to recognize your palm. If the front LEDs flash yellow, and that means you're either too close or too far away from the aircraft. Go ahead and adjust your position accordingly. When the front LEDs turn solid green, Spark's ready for palm control. Now, slowly move your hand up, down, left, right, forward or backward, and Spark will move right along with you. Once you're comfortable with palm control, try some more advanced maneuvers. Wave your hand and Spark will fly backwards and up, then start tracking you. To take a selfie, hold up both hands and make a frame with your fingers. The front LEDs will flash red for 3 seconds, and Spark will snap a photo. When Spark is following you and you want to land, raise your arms up above your shoulders for 2 seconds, and Spark will fly right back to you. You can perform the same gesture to have Spark follow you if it isn't already, provided that the aircraft is still in the air. When you're finished flying, put your hand below Spark with its nose facing toward you, and the aircraft will land on your palm automatically. Well, that's how to control Spark just using your hands. In our next video, we'll take a look at Spark's 2 main flight modes. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.
At DJI, true innovation is seeing the bigger picture. Every iteration is the culmination of all that we do to bring you the very best. Here's everything you've been waiting for and beyond. This is Mavic 2. The aircraft comes in 2 new editions, Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. Both cameras utilize DJI's latest 3-axis gimbal technology, ensuring smooth, stable footage in any situation. Mavic 2 Pro commands a powerful 1-inch sensor, offering you greater image quality with superior light and color performance. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, the new camera houses an adjustable aperture lens for more control over your lighting environment. Captures stunning aerial photos at 20 megapixels with extreme detail. Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit D-Log M color profile that yields higher dynamic range for more flexibility in the grading room. Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspective. With a 2x optical zoom lens, it offers greater safety, efficiency, and more creative opportunities. The 48mm focal length compresses your perspective, enhancing the parallax effect for a classic cinematic look. You're able to punch in quickly for a tighter shot, even from 100 meters away, keeping a safe distance from your subject. Don't be fooled by its size. Mavic 2's zoom lens is powerful, constantly adjusting to your commands for seamless zoom control and autofocus tracking. This keeps your subject clear while you focus on framing. Mavic 2 Zoom gives you access to dolly zoom for an otherworldly warped perspective. Both editions record 4K video with an advanced H.265 compression, so your images retain even more detail. Speed things up in a dynamic aerial hyperlapse with the simple tap of a button. 4 different modes give you a variety of shots for any time-lapse situation. Mavic 2 also supports enhanced HDR photo, an improved technique that blends a sequence of photos for greater dynamic range and image clarity. It wouldn't be a Mavic if it couldn't go with you anywhere, anytime. We kept that same foldable design and tweaked a few things that make a world of difference. After countless hours of research and testing, Mavic 2's refined chassis and low-noise propellers make it DJI's most advanced aerodynamic aircraft to date. These subtle yet powerful improvements give you a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion when the situation requires. Mavic 2 extends your creative potential with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a max speed of 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode. The all-new OcuSync 2.0 provides a 1080p transmission signal up to 8 kilometers, so you can edit full HD footage directly from the cache on your mobile device. 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz auto switching offers better performance in environments with busy signal interference. For the first time in a DJI drone, Mavic 2 boasts obstacle sensors on all sides of the aircraft. Its digital nervous system continually transmits data to a new, more powerful central processor. The aircraft analyzes every inch of its surroundings to move around obstacles without stopping, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. When you have a need for tracking at high speeds, stay fully immersed in the action with ActiveTrack 2.0. Aided by its vision systems, Mavic 2 maps a 3D view of the environment for greater accuracy in tracking up to 72 kilometers per hour. Trajectory prediction algorithms also help to maintain course when your subject is blocked by an obstruction. DJI goggles users can enjoy an enhanced experience with a clearer video feed and lower latency. When it comes to portability or quality, small details or the big picture, your vision or reality, Mavic 2 brings the best of both worlds. So you can explore the outer reaches of your imagination and create content that truly feels out of this world.